Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the bow in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. If you don't know how to create a bow or an arrow, I've already made videos on that. You can simply go ahead and look it up. Now, once you have the bow, you want to make sure that you have arrows in your inventory. And in order to go ahead and use it, all you need to do is right click and hold until you simply go ahead and wind it with power and release, so that you can simply go ahead and use it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.